Yeah, taking a little holiday break. Thanksgiving is in a few days. I don't know when this video is going to get uploaded. Maybe it'll be on Thanksgiving. Not sure. So one thing you do in the Pacific Northwest, especially this time of year, at least this is what I do, is, you know, during the day, it gets real gray and gloomy, especially this time of year, because we're down to the last, you know, the shortest daylight days of the year. And in this latitude, there's not much daylight. You know, you go out, you know, about 4:30 or so, it starts getting dark, and it can just be gloomy and gray the whole day. And a lot of people leave this region because of that. People flee from it. I mean, I've known people from Florida, you know, that have moved up here for a while and they just can't stand it. It has an emotional effect on people. They sell lots of vitamin D in the stores around here so that you can, you know, keep your emotional state up. However, what I was going to say is, what really helps me and what cheers you up and mentally and emotionally is to go out after dark in a place that has lots of lights, like a city, you know, where there's street lights and stuff like you see behind me right there. It kind of gives a certain effect, kind of the Christmas tree effect, especially this time of year, because there's more of that. And so that's why I hunker down during the day sometimes, and that's why people live in coffee shops around here. You know, they kind of satiate their emotional state with coffee and indoor activities during the day. But I recommend getting out in it. Even if you get out in it during the day, get out and breathe and just let the rain get on you. You know, there's a kind of something healthy about that. You can get real depressed though if you try to, you know, a lot of people get in their little cave and just sleep all day, or, you know, watch TV or go to movies or something. I'm actually going to go to a movie tonight, but you know, there's ways to deal with it, and I think one of the best ways is just to get outside and actually feel the environment, and you start to have a different perspective on it. Really, you do. Especially at night, like I say, the visual, if you're a visual person like me, the visual stimulation, it kind of helps give you a sort of an emotional lift, I suppose. Anyway, that's just some thoughts.